Welcome to today's series of What I Learned as a Chef. Today, we're building restaurant quality curry chicken in real time. And dry your chicken properly. Moisture prevents browning cream flavor. Season in layers. Salt first, pepper next. This builds depth from the inside out. Massage your seasoning in. Don't just sprinkle it. Every surface needs contact. Heat your pan properly, not cold, not smoking, controlled heat. Now, place the chicken in. Once it hits the pan, don't touch it. Let the crust develop. That golden color, that's the Maillard reaction. That's real flavor. Watch this flip to see the perfect crust. Now we remove it to rest. Use the same pan, that's flavor left behind. Stir them around to pick up that flavor. Onions bring sweetness, peppers bring balance, salt helps them soften. This is blooming the spices. Heat unlocks aroma. Tomato paste adds body and slight acidity. Stir until it darkens and integrates. Look at that rich color. That golden color, that's the Maillard reaction. That's real flavor. Deglaze the pan, scrape those brown bits, that's concentrated flavor. Now, return the chicken to the pan to finish. Lower the heat, gentle simmer keeps the chicken tender. Lower the heat, gentle simmer keeps the chicken tender. High heat tightens protein, patience builds tenderness. For richness and balance, a touch of coconut milk. Stir until it's glossy. Always build your plate intentionally. Sauce first. Clean presentation reflects discipline. This is the difference between cooking and mastering technique. Like and follow for the next lesson. Share this with someone who loves cooking. This series continues tomorrow. Cooking Smarter with Chef Nisi.